Bienvenue chez Exam Heist, votre partenaire de confiance pour réussir vos certifications. Nous proposons des supports d'études complets, en ligne et hors ligne. Et nous sommes là pour vous guider pas à chaque étape. Des guides PDF détaillés aux exercices pratiques bien structurés. Toutes les questions essentielles sont soigneusement couvertes pour vous donner toutes les chances de réussir. Vous aurez toujours les bonnes ressources à portée de main. Téléchargez les PDFs. Faites des tests et connectez-vous à notre équipe d'assistance experte. Avec la pratique interactive en ligne. Entraînez-vous et quand vous voulez. À votre rythme. Nos PDFs prêts pour l'examen sont soigneusement élaborés et régulièrement mis à jour. Des milliers d'apprenants certifiés font confiance à notre qualité et à notre sérieux. Des professionnels qualifiés sont disponibles pour répondre à vos questions. Commencez dès aujourd'hui et donnez à votre préparation l'avantage décisif avec Exam Heist. Visitez Exam Heist. Comme dès maintenant. Exam Heist. Votre parcours vers le succès commence ici.
Question 1. Which of the following is the most important consideration when opening a file on an OS GUI? Option A. File extension. Option B. Default permissions. Option C. Backup policy. Option D. Data compression. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. File extension. Question 2. A database has the following schema. Which of the following is the number of records in the schema? Option A. 3. Option B. 4. Option C. 12. Option D. 21. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. 4. Question 3. Which of the following devices extends the range of a network? Option A. Modem. Option B. Server. Option C. Host firewall. Option D. Access point. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option D. Access point. Question 4. A user receives a notification about a new software vulnerability. Which of the following is the best way to secure the software? Option A. Configuring the firewall. Option B. Applying updates. Option C. Enabling authentication. Option D. Uninstalling the program. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. Applying updates. Question 5. Which of the following is used to determine whether users accessed inappropriate online content? Option A. System logs. Option B. Cookie data. Option C. Location tracking. Option D. Web browser history. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option D. Web browser history. Question 6. A company updates its password policy to require that all passwords be reset every 60 days. Which of the following best describes this requirement? Option A. Password complexity. Option B. Password management. Option C. Password expiration. Option D. Password privacy. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C. Password expiration. Question 7. Which of the following encryption types protects data at rest? Option A. File level. Option B. VPN. Option C. HTTPS. Option D. Plain text. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. File level. Question 8. Which of the following is the smallest storage unit? Option A. Petabyte. Option B. Terabyte. Option C. Kilobyte. Option D. Megabyte. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C. Kilobyte. Question 9. A user lives in a remote area that does not have cabling or towers available. The user wants to connect to the internet. Which of the following is the best solution? Option A, fiber optic. Option B, DSL. Option C, cellular. Option D, satellite. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, satellite. Question 10. Which of the following display types is bidirectional? Option A, DisplayPort. Option B, VGA. Option C, DVI. Option D, USB-C. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, USB-C. Question 11. A user needs to read documentation on a device while walking around outdoors in bright sunlight. Which of the following is the best type of device for this purpose? Option A, laptop. Option B, tablet. Option C, e-reader. Option D, smartphone. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, e-reader. Question 12. A user attempts to log into a website and receives a prompt to update their password. Which of the following is this an example of? Option A, password privacy. Option B, password history. Option C, password complexity. Option D, password expiration. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, password expiration. Question 13. Which of the following types of AI is used to edit images? Option A, assistive. Option B, predictive. Option C, chatbot. Option D, generative. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, generative. Question 14. Given the following pseudocode, less than body greater than less than P greater than, this is a paragraph. Less than, P greater than less than, body greater than, which of the following best represents the type of language used by this code? Option A, markup. Option B, query. Option C, compiled. Option D, scripting. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, markup. Question 15. Which of the following can be used to input commands for a computer to execute? Option A, services. Option B, attributes. Option C, process. Option D, console. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, console. Question 16. Which of the following is the last tool that should be used when creating a custom length network? Cable. Option A, cable tester. Option B, crimper. Option C, wire cutter. Option D, Ethernet connector. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, cable tester. Question 17. Given the following pseudocode, 10 FORQ equals 1 to 10,020 PRINT Q30 next Q40 exit, which of the following best represents line 10? Option A, attribute. Option B, sequence. Option C, branch. Option D, loop. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, loop. Question 18. A user is logged in but unable to access a shared folder on the network. Which of the following security concepts is in place? Option A, authentication. Option B, authorization. Option C, accounting. Option D, non-repudiation. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, authorization. Question 19. Given the following table, which of the following fields best represents a primary key? Option A, ID. Option B, month. Option C, day. Option D, year. Option E, name. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, id. Question 20. A technician needs to install input devices while setting up a new desktop PC. Which of the following should the technician install? Choose 2. Option A, printer. Option B, mouse. Option C, keyboard. Option D, CPU. Option E, speaker. Option F, SSD. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, mouse. Option C, keyboard. Question 21. Users are discussing the birthdays and home addresses of notable public figures in a public chat room. Which of the following security concepts is being compromised? Option A, confidentiality. Option B, integrity. Option C, privacy. Option D, availability. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, privacy. Question 22. Which of the following can best protect a computer when an infected file has been downloaded? Option A, anti-malware. Option B, firewall. Option C, patching. Option D, permissions. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, anti-malware. Question 23. Which of the following is commonly used to measure the RAM capacity of a smartphone? Option A, GB. Option B, KB. Option C, MB. Option D, TB. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, GB. Question 24. A user identifies the reason a compute is not working, repairs it, and prints a test page. Which of the following steps should the user take next? Option A, submit a support ticket. Option B, test the theory. Option C, implement the solution. Option D, document the actions taken. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, document the actions taken. Question 25. Which of the following is the number of bits in a byte of data? Option A, 2. Option B, 4. Option C, 8. Option D, 16. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, 8. Question 26. A user's internet speed is slow. The user logs into the router's administrator portal and sees that unauthorized devices are connected to the network. Which of the following actions should the user take to prevent unauthorized use of the network? Option A, call the internet provider's support line. Option B, decrease the Wi-Fi signal range. Option C, change the password. Option D, reset the router. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, change the password. Question 27. A user has concerns about device theft because they are working on a laptop at a local coffee shop. Which of the following physical devices would be best to protect the laptop? Option A, firewall. Option B, privacy shield. Option C, USB lock. Option D, cable lock. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, cable lock. Question 28. A user is unable to connect from one workstation to another workstation. Which of the following should be configured to fix this issue? Option A, firewall. Option B, database. Option C, Anti-malware. Option D. Certificate. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, firewall. Question 29. A web page is displaying outdated credentials when a user enters information in an online form. Which of the following actions should the user complete first to fix the issue? Option A. Change the user profile. Option B. Turn off pop-up blockers. Option C. Clear the cache. Option D. Remove add-ons. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, clear the cache. Question 30. Which of the following best describes the primary connection between a wireless access point and a tablet? Option A. 802.11x. Option B. Thunderbolt. Option C. Bluetooth. Option D. USB-C. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, 802.11x. Question 31. A user wants to graphically depict the steps of a process. Which of the following types of software should the user utilize? Option A. Spreadsheet. Option B. Word processing. Option C. Presentation. Option D. Diagramming. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, diagramming. Question 32. Which of the following represents the value of 9 with ones and zeros? Option A. Octal. Option B. Decimal. Option C. Binary. Option D. Hexadecimal. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, binary. Question 33. A user needs to securely access a remote network from home. Which of the following should the user utilize for secure remote access? Option A. LAN. Option B. FTP. Option C. DNS. Option D. VPN. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, VPN. Question 34. A manager wants to provide information to employees during a company meeting. Which of the following types of software is the best solution? Option A. Word processing. Option B. Visual diagramming. Option C. Conferencing. Option D. Presentation. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, presentation. Question 35. Which of the following actions would help a user validate a website certificate on a browser? Option A. Clicking the lock symbol next to URL. Option B. Clearing the cookies and cache. Option C. Enabling a pop-up blocker. Option D. Deleting the browser history. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, clicking the lock symbol next to URL. Question 36. A systems administrator requires access to a user's laptop over a VPN for troubleshooting. Which of the following software types should the systems administrator use? Option A. Collaboration. Option B. Productivity. Option C. Web browsing. Option D. Remote assistance. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, remote assistance. Question 37. Which of the following is used to represent a device's physical address? Option A. Hexadecimal. Option B. Octal. Option C. Decimal. Option D. Binary. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, hexadecimal. Question 38. Given the following data sequence: 1, 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Which of the following data types are these values an example of? Option A, float. Option B, ASCII. Option C, string. Option D, Boolean. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, string. Question 39. Which of the following describes a printer? Option A, processing. Option B, output. Option C, storage. Option D, input. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, output. Question 40. A user wants to download music from a computer to a smartphone. Which of the following cables should the user use to transfer the files? Option A, USB-C. Option B, VGA. Option C, Thunderbolt. Option D, NFC. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, USB-C.